Welcome to Dania's Corner, where tech always makes sense. Alright, let's get this done. So, you've got a brand new computer. Congratulations. Let's get it set up, step by step. Unbox and connect everything. Take the computer out of the box and plug in the power cable. If it's a desktop, connect your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. If it's a laptop, make sure it's plugged in and charging fully. Power on and follow the setup wizard. Press the power button. On a new Windows PC, you'll be guided through setting up your region, Wi-Fi, and a Microsoft account. On a Mac, you'll do the same with your Apple ID and iCloud. Be sure to create a strong password for your user account during this step. Update your system. This is a critical step for security. Once you're on the desktop, immediately check for updates. On Windows, go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. On Mac, go to System Settings, General, Software Update. Install essential software. Now download the apps you need most. We recommend starting with a different web browser like Chrome or Firefox and a solid antivirus program if your system doesn't have one built in. Then, install any other tools you need for work or school. Personalize your computer, make it your own. Change your desktop wallpaper, adjust your display settings, and set up multiple user accounts if other people will be using the computer. Set up backups. Don't wait to back up your data. On Windows, you can use file history to back up to an external drive or use OneDrive for cloud backups. On Mac, use the built-in Time Machine with an external drive. Transfer your files. Use an external drive, a USB stick, or cloud storage to transfer important files from your old computer. Once everything is set up, your new computer is ready to roll. Safe, updated, and personalized just for you. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for tuning in to Dania's Corner, where tech always makes sense.